This is part 3 of slime unboxing. I keep on accidentally. Hey, what is this? This is like an alien doing peace out, and then this is what I under the face. And here's a lot of slimes. Oh, how did the slime
What just
come here?
happened to yellow?
Bang.
Look at yellow. It's
What
like,
is that? Choo.
this is,
Yeah, pink is dead.
yellow guy.
Yeah, green is dead. That was not meant to happen. Ew, what is this? Ew thing when you look from there, but you know what it is. You just
That's an ice cream.
There's an ice cream that is a donut. Of course. Ooh, slime goop. Gulp. Get it, lava la. What tasted? Lava la.
Lava slime.
What is lava slime?
When
There's no red
When
slime.
you're doing a lava slime, you're supposed to like stretch them and put them.
On your head.
Yeah.
Or Mike actually exploding everything out from the
Brother,
box.
get it.
Dude, get the green. Do that again. So, wait, I can do this. There. So, as you see, we are unboxing slime still.
It's yellow.
Dude, I shot the alien. Dude, where's the green slime I just threw and then landed? Yeah, it's right there.
And this.
It's right there, guys. You really did that? She took it away. I'm like, I'm gonna show the camera, and then he's like, nope, not today. Okay, guys, so first of all, my sister has that one, and I'm gonna be looking for this one because it looks very cool. And I'm gonna put the donut, I think. I forgot, this is not how you open it. This is how you open it. Okay, this is I thought it was gonna be.
Guys, donut.
Don't look at that. He's like,
Donut. I am stuck here. No, donut.
you guys just
Yes, I
bang,
am.
bang.
Look at me.
There's glitter
This.
in it.
Yeah. There is.
Oh! It never came off until now. This is not a crab.
That's a scorpion.
This is scorpion?
Yeah.
I'm like, this is scorpion because I hate scorpions a lot.
Hani yerleri toplayın önce demedim mi Duru?
It died in the goo.
Burak yardım etmiyor.
There's an alien.
That's an alien.
Ew, this got
Önce yerleri toplaman lazım Burak.
stuck.
Çöpe atılacaklar çöpe.
That's what you get for snacking.
O kadar uzun videolar yapıp ne yapacağız?
It's only 3 minutes. He's like, what are I gonna do with the longest videos? I can't go more than 15 minutes. Look weird. Hot dog. Is that hot dog really?
No.
Guys, my sister said hot dog like. Is there a hot
I
dog
said it
that-
accidentally.
You said you were supposed to say
Donut.
lava la, which is
Lava monster.
look cool. This one. So we're just looking at stuff in the aliens. Ah! There you go. If you can see it. Alien, I'm gonna cover you up, alien. Sorry. My mean machine.
Yatağa gitmeniz için bir saatiniz var ha. Bir saat
Lovey.
oynayın.
Explode. Guys, we're gonna find an alien.
Bunlar da böyle kutuya
Fish
koyuyorlar ya.
true.
Bak ne güzel.
Guys, I think I heard pooping noise from the alien. Noise. Ew, look at him like, I am alien. Like in the Dude Simulator,
open this?
the police say, I'm police. No. Wait, isn't that the oh no, it's not. Like, oh, my face. That's the seriousness of my face. Oh, I hate you, alien. Dude. Guys, this thing is so little.
Ew, swamp.
Lava la. Lava la. Lava la.
Lava monster.
I said lava la. Like
Lava lot. Lava pot.
lava pot. And the only special kind of pot. Actually, let's see lava.
Ah, help me! I am slime.
Wait, how did you do that? You like
No, look,
I
watch
need to get
me.
shorts on.
Watch me. So you do this and then take you like take
I am praying.
and then
I am gonna
stretch it,
squishy
and then
the
you-
goo goo the out of glue.
Ah!
That feels disgusting. As soon as you get this in your hands, and if I were you, I'd rather be ewing out right now because it is very, very disgusting. As soon as you touch it, it's like this.
What, there, what,
Barfs. It barf out of nowhere as soon as you touch it. La la la la la la. This is how it looks.
wait, did you see the yellow thing anywhere?
Yellow's cup. Yellow's top is here.
No, the cup of it.
Oh, you mean the cup behind you? People gets slappy. So we know where the blues cup is. Let's put you back.
That's a green.
I know where
These
this
two
one
are
is.
green.
Guys, like if you know that,
This is
you probably
a
do not know this. but
scorpion. Ah!
It pinched you and you're dead. Again, Jumanji the guy, the scorpion comes out. I'm not gonna do it with my mouth because this thing went in slime. Last time I did that, I need to go to the hospital. In the head, in the bald head right here. Since I hate scorpions, they just kill their people that I really love. Actually, I hate. I hate you! Look, there's white slime. Let's see how heavy it is.
Wow.
That actually did. Show that to the camera. It's not finished. Oh my god, guys. Look how cool, pretty this is.
Hepsini birden açmayın ha.
Mom, we
Bölüşün
already
önce
opened it.
colorlar.
Alright, first we have to get our favorite colors. But we don't need to do that because we're sharing. Oh. Dude, look at the white ones. Like, I am Booby Doo.
Can I have it?
Bunları almasanız.
Look
Okay,
at
I'll
this,
use
just
this
like
one.
white slime. I'm actually staring at the camera to see how it looks on camera since I never looked at the
Just-
camera.
Look how pretty this is too.
Fake. White slime is way prettier. Comment below which slime you think is prettier, this one or the silver one.
Bırak ya.
Probably, I don't know.
Şunlar bir de olsun.
Probably. I don't know.
I don't need you, Dad. You're texting me. You're texting my mom every second. He actually is. Hello, hello, hello. It's actually touching my ew. It's actually touching my ew. Look at this. Level it, level it.
Lava.
Ne yapacaksın sonra?
Slime
gidelim.
lava.
Posting on YouTube.
Okay.
Slime lava.
Look at the
Slime
reaction.
lava.
It's like,
Slime lava.
okay, that was actually a burp. I can burp a lot. You guys, just
You're so
tell me on the comments if you want
beautiful.
me to do a lot of fake burps a lot. Hey,
I want to get it too.
it's like,
Get silver.
what is the top of this? This slime is gonna dry and die. Dry and die. You get it? Dry. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm gonna mash you up. No. I was actually gonna open it, but nope.
This
La, la.
This one is so pretty.
Yeah.
That one.
You guys, you'll be seeing video what I'm making right now on TV. So when is it gonna open? It's taking forever.
Like forever.
I don't think the video's going. La, la, la. Guys, mirroring. Go back. So you see it? Oh, what the?
So it has the
TV. There we go. Can get out. There you go. La la la. I'm actually looking at the TV now since it's on there. Okay.
Wait, did you hear that?
Do not do that again because it popped out because of you.
Duru toplar mısın?
You're the
Ben ne
one who's
yapıyorum?
crashing everything. I'm not the one.
Hallelujah.
You're clean it back. Not me. Okay, I'm gonna go back to video. Consequences. Ew. Why isn't this open? The lid opened in the air, but then the
Bunlara
lid back
bir
on.
şey bul hadi.
Here's the slime. Oh! Oh! It's destroying every slime it goes on top. It's like the slime on bottom is like.
Oh, fudge!
Damn.
These are much
Oh.
stretchier.
No, do not do that. It's gonna fall to the ground. No. It has. Ew! Ew! What is that? What is that? Oh, it was slime. I thought it was like a skitchy bug, squishy, dishy bug. I'm gonna open the gold slime. It looks very pretty.
Guys, can you wait a
This
second?
is way prettier.
Puppy.
This is way prettier than that. It's way out. It's more outstanding than
It's
your
pretty.
quick old Mr. Dum Dum head. The face of me.
Pretty.
That's my
Pretty.
face when I insult people. Well, not really insulting, but
I want to go this way.
squishing them like
Bunlara
this.
mix yapabiliyorum Duru'cum bunları.
Yeah.
İşte kutularına şunlardan veya bunlardan.
I am gonna glitter smash.
I
Smash.
want on pink.
I smashed my friend Leo.
slime.
He keeps on smacking my face. That's what I'm gonna do. And I actually could do that. So, well, he smacks my face like this very hard. And I have to smack him in the face as a pickle wreck. You probably know about pickle wreck. It's the world's weirdest thing. I think pickle wreck comes out of the toilet because that's what my friends say. They're like, pickle. I almost said the D word. Like, pickle. I almost said it, but then I'm like, nope, I'm not saying this in front of the camera. So a lot of things. I sometimes curse sometimes. Dude, this is not open yet. Ew. Look at the movement when you open it. I am Glitter Man. Like I'm going and I'm moving this way. Like la la la. This thing won't open. Okay, I think we have opened this. Do not shove that in my face. You know I don't really like slime because I almost died. Actually, not died, but I got sick. This is Chase's face. I really love it. Consequences minutes later. 100 minutes later. Whoa! No.
Why? I hate slime.
This is what she said. I hate being a slime. I hate being a slime. I shoot it up. Okay.
I love being a slime.
I should have done the dance one. There. I have it ready. Stupid. I actually saw this one. Dude, like, I want to fit. Do not throw it up in the air. Did you mix that or something?
I mix it with these things.
I'm going to mix it up with pizzas. Guys, here's a pizza for you. And it's coming out of the slime. Don't eat it. If anything came out of the slime, don't put it in your mouth or eat it.
This
or else
didn't
you'll get
come out of
sick.
slime. This didn't come
What?
out of slime. Guys, you can eat this one. This didn't come out of slime. Hop, hop, hop. They ate it.
I actually just put it into slime.
No, I haven't.
I'm going to be twirling around until I get as super dizzy with the slime flying like this. Booger bomb! Booger bomb! Booger bomb! Ow! That is so good. There's a enormous amount of booger bombs. Guys, look at the slime. I can't really walk the direction I want.
I can walk when I get dizzy.
Oh, really? But you can't walk the way you want to. You go like this. Why should you try to walk to the camera?
Look, I am going to be dizzy, so I'm going to be dizzy, so dizzy.
Hell yeah! I think I'm done with slime until the rest of the day.
Look, I can go the right way that I want. I want to go here. I want to go here. I want to clap my hands. I want to go here. I want to go here. I am dizzy.
Burak bitirsen ne yapıyorsun? Televizyona niye atıyorsun? Deli misin?
I throw it everywhere.